If Discord is stuck loading, frozen, or just not opening properly, this quick fix can usually get it working again in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Discord loading error by fully closing the app, clearing the cache, and then restarting Discord the right way. This is a simple troubleshooting method that works for a lot of common Discord issues, including endless loading screens, blank windows, and app startup problems. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech fixes, and let's jump right in. First, we need to completely close Discord. Sometimes Discord looks closed, but it's still running in the background, and that can cause the loading error to keep coming back. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running apps and background processes for Discord. You may see more than one Discord process, so make sure you check carefully. Right-click each Discord process you find and click End Task. This forces Discord to fully shut down and clears out any stuck processes that might be causing the problem. Next, we're going to clear the Discord cache. Cache files can get corrupted over time, and when that happens, Discord may fail to load correctly. To do this, press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the text field, type %appdata%\discord, then press Enter. This will open Discord's application folder on your computer. Inside this folder, you should see several files and folders. Now you want to delete 3 specific folders: cache, code cache, and local storage. These folders store temporary data, and removing them can often fix loading problems without affecting your account or your messages. Click each folder one at a time, then delete them. If Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Don't worry, this is a normal troubleshooting step, and Discord will recreate fresh cache files the next time it launches. After that, it's time to restart Discord. Close any File Explorer windows if you still have them open, and then reopen Discord from your desktop, start menu, or taskbar. Give it a few moments to load. In many cases, Discord should now open normally without getting stuck on the loading screen. If the app starts correctly, then the issue was likely caused by a corrupted cache or a background process that needed to be ended. If Discord still doesn't load right away, try restarting your computer and launching Discord again after the reboot. A full restart can help clear out leftover system issues and make sure the changes you just made take effect properly. But in most cases, closing Discord completely, clearing those cache folders, and reopening the app is enough to fix the loading error. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.